In this video, I'm going to show you how to add an image to a web page, how to modify an image, so if you wanted to change this one out, and really the different features that you have available to you with the image editor that is in the user interface. So to add an image to a web page, what you need to do is go to your user interface and click under Website Management, Websites and their content, and then click under Website Pages that I have my mouse over. So then you're going to have to pick the web page that you want to add an image to. So for this example, I'm going to do it to the first one. So to see the web page that we're going to be working on, it's this one here. Then let's actually click on the title of that page so we can edit it. So coming down to here, let's just say that I wanted to add a brand new image right to this area right here, right where these paragraphs are at. So it shows up right here, and then the text kind of starts right here around it. So it kind of stands to the left. So let me show you how that's done. So first off, I'm going to select the area where I want my image to show up. In this situation, I want it to show up right before I. So I'm going to set it there. And then you come up to this little icon that you see right up here at the top. And when you hover your mouse over it, it says Insert and Edit Images. Click on that right there. And it'll pull up this additional box here. I don't know why it's so big, but it's this box right here, and you want to click on this little icon that's right here. When you put your mouse over it, it says Browse. That's the image or the icon you need to click on to do all the magic, to add a new image. So I'm going to click on that. It's going to pull up this here, and you click on the image files. You'll see right here that there's different files. So if you're uploading, let's say, a PDF document that your giveaway is free reports, it would be put in this document folders. Whenever you upload buttons, they're automatically loaded into this button folder here, just so everything's nice and in order. If you uploaded a movie, I wouldn't recommend you upload any movies or videos to here, just because it's going to slow down the server and it's probably not going to be super fast. So upload your movies or your videos to YouTube or something like that. Images. So this is the image file. So if, let's just say I wanted to load this default image or this image that I have right here into the text. What I actually do is I just click under this little icon right here, which is more or less insert this into my thing here. It will display the image right there a little bigger. Now this is really important. What you want to do is you want to click on appearance. And appearance sets it so your image, it kind of sets up the layout, as you can see the image example right there, how the image will be laid out in on your web page. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to have it be to the left, and I'm going to hit insert after that. When I hit insert, that's what it looks like by default. So what you can do if you want to modify that is you can actually select the image, come back here and click on this again, and then this box is going to pop up yet again, and you can go to the advanced features. So under appearance, you can see this border area. Let's just say I wanted to add a border. I'm going to put it at 5. I'm going to click off of it really quick, and you'll see this black border appear. Now, I don't want it to be black, so I'm going to change it to white. Click off of it again, and then I can hit update. If you wanted to change the dimensions, you could make it bigger or larger, or bigger or smaller. So if I made it 50%, it automatically keeps it to the ratio there. Advanced, this is if you want stuff like, a description if somebody hovers over their mouse over it. This is really not that important, but I'm just going to put something like cool pic, just to give you an example of what happens there. And that's not really that necessary, but it doesn't hurt. Under general, if you wanted a title, this is for SEO purposes. Let's just say you were Lake City FL Homes for Sale. That would be your title of the actual image. You could put a description here, Lake City Homes for Sale, whatever you want to do. These are just keywords you want it to rank for, and you hit update. Oops, you see how I, by mistake, made this image a lot smaller. I'm going to make it a little bit bigger real quick. Go to appearances, and I'm going to make it 150. Hit update. There we go. So that saves that. I'm going to hit Save All Changes, and let's take a look at what it looks like on the actual page. So remember, we put it right there. Let me hit refresh. There it is. So I don't know what happened there. Okay. Something's messed up. I think it may just be my browser. My browser sometimes has different problems, but just in case, let me just try to make a change to it real quick. I'm going to get rid of these text editors real quick just to see if that's causing problems. And again, I think it's my browser, but I'm not really sure. Hit update, because it seemed like it made that mistake when I put my mouse over the page. So wait for that to refresh. Hit refresh on this. Okay, now I'm not having the problem. So it may just be from my browser, I'm not sure. But it seemed like when I put in those extra, I don't know which one, but something in there, it had some sort of little error there. The other thing is, if you want to change out some of the images, the default images here, let's just say you wanted to change that image out for another one, you could come into here. Oh, let me show you how to upload an image from your computer, because I just showed you on an image that was from a file that I already had on site or already uploaded. So in this case, I'm going to click on this icon again. I'm going to select what folder I want to upload that file to. In this case, it's going to be the image file. And then I just click on this upload tab that you see right here. So just click upload. It will upload something from your computer. In this case, you can upload 5 different documents at one time. I'm going to hit choose file. It'll go to my computer. I want to upload this picture of myself, right? Which one? Right there. I'm going to select that, and then just so you can make sure you can see it, I'm going to hit open. Okay, you can see that changed that right there to Calvin Curry, so that's the actual picture name. Oops, what did I do? And then I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to hit upload. That will upload that to the actual program here. I don't know where it went, but let's see. Maybe if I refresh it. Just do this real quick. Okay, so it must be loaded alphabetically. All right, so there's the image right there. Calvin Curry, that's the image I just uploaded. And if I wanted to insert that into my website, again, I would just hit select file. So that's going to pull that up. If you wanted to resize that photo, let's just say I want to make it 250 instead of 300. And I wanted to make it show up to the left. Where is the area to set it? Okay, I think it's right here. I want to show it up to the left. I hit that. I'm going to put a small border on it of 10. Actually, that's quite big. And I'm going to change that border color to white. Hit update. Hit OK. There we go. Now, if you wanted to change the location of it on your actual web page, what you can do is you can actually select it and just slide it to another location. So if I wanted to show up there or show up somewhere else, I could do that. Or if I wanted to show up in its own thing. And even if you want to edit a picture after you've uploaded it, just click on the actual picture, click right back to here. Your editor is going to pop up. Go to appearances, and let's just say I want to have this show up as text. Let's just say I want it to show up in the middle, and I'm going to hit update. This little warning comes up here. Boom. And then if I hit save all changes, it's going to save that. And I come back to here and hit refresh. That's where the image is actually going to show up. Now, I don't really want that, but that area. But if that's what I wanted, that's where that image would be. Let's just save that one more time. Got rid of the space. Okay, so that's how you manage images and the likes. If you want to upload files and do stuff like that, it's all done from the same area. Just to go back there and show you some of the different features. So if you wanted to upload a document, for example, and I wanted a link to it, what I could do is just click here to download. And then from there, I could go to my browser. I click on this right here. Let's say I have documents. In this case, I'm just going to do this sell foreclosure fast. I don't want to insert it. I wonder what's going to happen if I try to insert it. I don't know. That's kind of weird. I guess I haven't tried that before. I really don't want to insert a document into my web page. But let's just say I had click here to download. Let's see if that works that way. I haven't used every single little feature on this website. I've used features like this, but I just haven't tested it with this program. So in this case, I want to actually link it to that document. You could upload a document with this uploader thing right here. Let's see if it works to link it. So I'm going to go to hyperlink, which is right here. And I'm going to go to that document, which is right here, and I want to link it to that document. Okay, I don't want to view the document. I want to just link it to that document. Okay, select file. There you go. There's the file path to that, and I'm going to hit insert. Now I'm going to hit save all changes, and let's see if that worked. Hit update, and if I come here and I hit click here, then it's going to redirect me to that document. Now, if you wanted to change, that's just how you do a hyperlink. But if you wanted to, let's say, upload a free report, and to give you an example, let's just say I was uploading a free report from my computer. I could come here, I could browse for the document. I want to upload it in my documents. I'm going to upload something, choose the file. Let's just say I want something from, let me see here. Marketing campaigns. Let's see here. Just want an article, short articles. I'm going to have an article on why most websites are horrible. Okay. And then I'm going to upload that document. I'm just going to go through the steps. File extension not allowed. Huh, that's weird. I guess that documents, oh, maybe it's a docs. Let me try a different type of file. Pause this video and get a PDF. Okay, so I'm going to select a PDF and see if that works. So I just select this PDF, hit upload. I think it was a docs with a DOX extension. That may have been why I didn't allow it. See if it will upload this real quick. It's still uploading. As you can see, that little, there we go. I was able to upload it. Now let's just say I wanted to connect a button. So we're going to insert a button into this page. I want it centered. And I'm just walking through these examples for those of you who really, want the additional step-by-step hand-holding here. I'm going to do a button real quick that says get access now. Let's say that's the button I wanted to insert. And hit insert real quick. Hit OK. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to hyperlink that button. So I'm going to select that button, hit this little insert a link, and then I'm going to go and find that document that I just uploaded. Document, this one, Proven Sales Strategies, free chapter, hit insert, and hit insert that button. Now let's save these changes and see if that worked. Hopefully it does. Let's refresh this. And if I click on this, that document that I uploaded will now work. So when somebody clicks on it. One other thing I will show you, when you're inserting a link like that, you may want it to open in a new window. So when I click on that, it doesn't just open up on that page. It actually opens a new page instead of doing it where it more or less just changes out that page. So what you would do is you would target this in a blank page, or you could do like a brand new, more or less a new frame. But I'm just going to do blank page just to show you in this example. I don't know why it messes with this box. I'm going to hit insert. Oh, wait, I guess it's redoing my link. Let me just double do this real quick. Document, insert this link, and I'm going to open it in a blank window. Insert, save all changes. Let's see what that looks like. All right. Okay, so as you can see, when I click on that, it opens a brand new page. So that's how you can add documents. You can add buttons. You've seen me do a lot of stuff in this video. It's kind of long, but hopefully for those of you who really need the extra stuff, this video will show you how to do it. So if you have other questions, hopefully there should be some other videos that help answer those questions. If not, you can always come back to the support area and fill out a support question. That's it for this video.